Time for some Q&A with the investment committee. Mike in Arizona for Joe on Twilio. What are your thoughts?
Still haven't bought it. Looking to buy it. Jeff Lawson, fantastic CEO. A little bit of a calculation error in the last earnings report. Stock today is higher in a obvious decline overall for the marketplace. I still think you need to hear the next earnings report. What specifically happened as it relates to the calculation error? Where do they go from there? And what's the outlook for 2020?
All right, Steph, for you from Patrick in Pennsylvania, related to what we talked about earlier, GE. Is GE going to rebound?
GE's up 52% year to date,
Yeah,
so it already has rebounded. But
I
mean, I think next year there's a lot to prove for sure. I think yesterday's analyst day for their healthcare division, they did a good job kind of tempering expectations. I think power stabilizes. I think there's a lot they can do on cost cuts. So yeah, I'm still a fan, and I still think this story has a lot more upside.
All right, Sarat, Jenny in New Jersey, Coke or Pepsi?
I like Pepsi. I like Pepsi because 50% of their revenue comes from the food side, and I think that provides some stability. Especially as they can grow. And it's a defensive play, too, especially as the market gets rocky.
Okay. Josh, for you, Vivian in New York, Dunkin Brands.
Hey, Viv. Dunkin' Donuts bottomed in January of 2016. It has had a 4-year nonstop incredible uptrend. But there have been ups and downs during that uptrend. But it's remained in this very consistent channel around a rising 200-day moving average. And I don't see any signs that that's stopping. So it's not at the high right now. Historically, you've been rewarded for buying. It's right here at that 200-day, which I mark as about 76. So, yeah, I would be a buyer until something materially changes with the company, which it has not. Still delivering the delicious coffee that we all need. Keep America running.
All right. On Dunkin'. Pete, lastly to you from Bob in West Virginia. Restaurant Brands, QSR.
Yep.
Is it a buy?
I love this name. I own it. So, yes, I think it is a buy. I look at the stock. Is it a little bit stretched? Probably, because it's had a great run this year. From year to date, I think it's up about 25%, something close to that. So it's a little stretched. But I like the fact that they went into the Impossible Burger side of things. And Popeyes, that's been something that everybody's been racing to because of all the stories about chicken sandwiches, everything else. I think this is a really well run franchise, that is. And I think this is something where you want to sell calls against it because I don't think it's going to go screaming to the upside, and you can actually get paid to wait.